This video accompanies a guide on the XM forum. You need a few tools which I'll list down below. First you need to crack open the display. There's a few clips either side which I'm just showing there. Some you can click off with your fingernails, and others you'll need a small flathead screwdriver to click off. But it's not too much of a job to unclick it all. Just slide it off, the back bit off there, and then there's 4 more clips on the top and the bottom which you can just sort of flip off. Once you pull the plastic off, you can see all the electrical gubbins inside, and this is all attached together through some T9 Torx bits, and I think there's 4 which you've got to undo there. Now these two here, they hold the electrical contacts between the actual matrix itself and the circuit board. What you'll notice on this one is the matrix plastic bit will come off the circuit board quite easily, because I've actually already taken the glue off this one. Usually you'll need a little Stanley knife and some of the nail varnish remover, sort of gradually work it off, being quite careful. But as you can see here, it kind of just falls to bits a bit. But once you have got it off, you can just carefully unclip the matrix itself. It's just 2 very flimsy looking clips on either side. And that little green plasticky blacky type thing in the back there, you need to make sure that one stays in the right direction, or you'll find that the green and the black colours of the display will kind of flip around, so you have a green background and I think slightly greener text or black text or something like that. I can't quite remember, to be honest. But yeah, put a bit of nail varnish remover in a tub just to clean up all of the glue off the contacts. You'll probably have to spend a bit more time than I have done here. Here you've got the rubber band bit which pushes the contacts on. You'll notice it's probably a little bit worn out, so we need to pad it out a bit. I've got a small cable tie here where I've lopped the lumpy bit off, and you can put that in one of the slots where the plastic from the matrix pushes onto the circuit board. Just lay that one in there. When you put the rubber back on, just flip it over so you've got the slightly less denty, fresher side pushing against contacts. On the matrix itself, you may notice that the contacts are a little bit damaged. You'll need to grab a 6B pencil or something similar and draw on all the contacts to improve the electrical connection. It takes a bit of time, but it's definitely worth it. Now you just need to click the matrix back onto the plastic carrier. Bring back the electrical gubbins and just put everything back together again. Careful that the plastic cable tie doesn't slide out. When you do up the Torx bits, make sure you don't do them up too tight. There we go, mostly screwed back together now. At this stage it might be worth changing the bulbs. It's standard dashboard bulbs you can get in most motor-factored places. And the technique I use to get the bulbs out is a bit of insulation tape that I wrap around the bulb itself and then just pull it straight out. It saves them to muck around with, pliers and smashing the bulbs and things like that. Then you just push the new bulb back in again. Stick it in the hole and turn it by about 90 degrees. There's 2 on this side, and if I remember correctly, on the display on the right hand side there's 3 bulbs, I think. But I think they're accessible without taking all the bits and pieces together. Now it's just a case of putting the outer case back together again now. Put the front cover back on again, make sure you get it the right way around. Make sure the full clip's back on again. Then slide the back one back on again. Before you put it all back together, it might be worth taking it out to the car and giving it a bit of a test, just to see that everything is in order.